हाय डॉक्टर संदीप.
हेलो.
ओके, बाय द वे बिफोर टेलिंग यू हाय, पहले मैंने इनको हाय बोला बिकॉज हम लोग अभी साथ में सीरीज कर रहे हैं. सो हाय फ्रेंड्स, हाय पेरेंट्स, वेलकम टू माय ध्वजा. वन क्वेश्चन जो बहुत सारे पेरेंट्स को होता है, सॉलिड फूड इंट्रोडक्शन कभी करना है, क्यों करना है, कैसे करना है. बाय द वे ऑल ऑफ यू, माय ध्वजा holds an online course on winning. I being a dietitian, we talk about it in a scientific way, but we need to understand from a doctor's point of view एक्चुअली उनके लिए क्या चीज़ें बहुत ज़रूरी है. दे डोंट माइंड मच कि आपने फूड में एग्जैक्टली और क्या चीज़ें डाली है, अनलेस इट इज़ न्यूट्रिशनली नॉट कॉम्प्रोमाइज्ड. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड. डॉक्टर, आई वांट टू नो द टॉप 10 टिप्स जो आपको लगता है कि हर पेरेंट्स को पता होना चाहिए जब भी वो सॉलिड इंट्रोड्यूस कर रहे हैं.
See what happens is first 6 months you give only mother's milk. Very important. So supplementary food or weaning starts actually.
बट मेरा बच्चा 4th मंथ में थोड़ा वजन कम लग रहा है तो मैं खाना जल्दी शुरू कर दूं?
No way. Your child will grow as per the baby's birth weight. And I have always emphasized that don't try to compare your child with somebody else's kid. The absolute reason for being unhappy throughout.
वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई थिंक डॉक्टर संदीप यहाँ पे बहुत क्लियरली बोल रहे हैं कि अगर ब्रेस्ट मिल्क किसी वजह से नहीं मिल रहा है तो फिर आप डॉक्टर को पूछ के लैक्टोजन, सो द बेस्ट
whatever formula you want to give, you give. But again, I'm just here that find out the reason. Don't get stressed. There are multiple other reasons why the breast milk supply might have gone down, and there is no reason why you can't get it back. So be positive. Give your milk to your baby. 6 months, mother's milk is the best. So when it comes to supplementary food, very simple principle that you start with water like consistency. So maybe I tell my mother's patients, give rice water or dal water. Start with 1 spoon. Very important. Start in the morning hours around 10:30, 11. So even if the child has colics or problems, we have the whole day
to take care.
We don't spoil our night sleep.
Parents are feeling good, no? Listen to this video.
Number 2, go on gradually increasing the quantity of the food that you have started with. Every week, just go on building up the volume. Then you can take that item and put it in the evenings and introduce a new item in the next week.
Super.
So don't start too many things in one go. We won't understand what the child has digested and what the child does not like or has not tolerated that well. Now, number 3, what I would like to say here is that start with simple things like rice, dal, then a combination of rice and dal, vegetable soups, clear soups. So all these things are very easy to digest.
Safe, allergic नहीं है वो चीज़.
Allergic नहीं है. Don't give solids immediately in the 6th month. Let it be liquid, then semi-liquid, then semi-solid, and then solid. And we have 6 months for that process. So go on gradually making it a variety of food. People don't add sugar and salt. People maybe after 9 months or 1 year we need to start with sugar and salt.
I think a mild quantity, not like we are eating.
नहीं, little bit तो चाहिए ना, सोडियम कैसे मिलेगा?
So for the taste factor for 9th month
yes. Also. Then also we need to understand that don't let it be very bland. Don't add spices because the child may not tolerate. Don't give a new item at a very large volume because the child suddenly might vomit and then you have a setback and then your confidence is lost.
Right.
Then once you have say 6 to 8 months semi-liquid, semi-solid, then you can add vegetables, mashed fruits, mashed vegetables, fruit puree, and all these things go into semi-solid by 9 months.
Can we do something like smashed with hands?
Yes.
So by 8 to 9 months, your child is eating a smashed food, which is more often, but not like a liquid also.
Yes. Avoid giving too much of milk. Now, why am I saying? Because when we add for top milk, it tends to cause a lot of constipation. Number 1, and number 2, it occupies a lot of volume of your stomach, so the child doesn't eat. And then there is a growth faltering that is likely to happen.
Dr. Sandeep, is it so that that's why people have told that preferably avoid till 11 months milk? You can give like curd, buttermilk, cheese slice.
Yes.
So because child loves that.
Yes.
और वो ज़्यादा ले लिया तो फिर बाकी सब कुछ खत्म हो जाता है.
उसको डाइजेस्ट सॉलो करने के लिए कुछ ताकत नहीं लगती है. कट अंदर जाता है.
हाँ, लोग बोलते भी इतना दूध के लिए इतना कटोरी चावल कैसे खाएगा?
तो कैसे खाएगा? So that's something which is not advisable. So what we really say is you can make food with milk, but don't give milk as food.
Very important line. Very important line. So important. So about milk. Next.
Okay, then we can start with solid food by 9 months to 10 months, and you can make whatever you cook at home, vegetable soups.
Smoothies we can give.
Yeah.
A bit of paratha pieces we can just give in babies.
Gradually you can give egg yolk mixed with rice and dal, and then you can give by 1 year the child should eat everything that is cooked at home.
ब्रिलियंट ओके ऑल ऑफ यू कहीं पे भी डॉक्टर संदीप ने नहीं बोला है मिक्सी में प्यूरी करके लिक्विड करके बच्चे को खिलाओ आई ऑलवेज टेल दिस वी आर इंडियन कल्चर पीपल
एंड आई हैव नॉट मेंशन अबाउट एनी डब्बास फ्लेवर्ड टिन डब्बास ये दो वो दो ये लाओ ये फ्लेवर
ये दो
आई हैव नॉट कोटेड एनी बिकॉज वी डोंट नीड टू हैव दैट. It is okay for mothers who are really working and they are very busy, they don't have time to cook all these things.
And somebody made or somebody is taking care of
somebody or somebody wants to travel, then maybe you can use, but otherwise big no.
100%. Okay, one more thing, Dr. Sandeep, that people have been talking a lot about. Just parso somebody we had from Kashmir talking to me, and she was like 5-month baby, and her mother-in-law told, हम लोगों ने तो बच्चे बड़े किए हैं पार्ले जी बिस्किट और दूध देके और ग्लूकोज बिस्किट और दूध देके बट आई रिसेंटली हर्ड लॉट ऑफ डॉक्टर्स टेलिंग नो टू बिस्किट्स so early in life. So basically here comes any kind of a packaged food.
Avoid packaged food, avoid giving, see when you talk of biscuits you are essentially giving only carbohydrates. मैदा तो आप प्रोटीन्स किधर जा रहे हो उसमें?
Please note this point for every pediatrician. This is very very important. So we do not give only nachni ka atta, gehu ka atta, only chawal ka puree. We don't do that.
Have a combination, and that's very important. Balanced food.
So vegetables, fruits, proteins, and yes, cereals दो. Tasty खाना किसको पसंद है? Dr. Sandeep, are you foodie?
Yeah.
You love food?
Yeah, absolutely.
तो देखो दो लोग यहाँ पे बैठे हुए हैं जिनको खाना बहुत ज़्यादा पसंद है. तो you have to understand ये choice और ये पसंद आपके बच्चे का भी develop होना चाहिए.
Yeah.
A child should not associate a negativity towards the food.
Yes.
A last question, Dr. Sandeep. People keep telling मेरे बच्चे ने 2 ही चम्मच खाए, मेरे बच्चे ने आज 3 ही चम्मच खाए. So should we actually bother about quantity जब तक weight normal है, activity normal है, milestone normal है?
90% mothers come to me, मेरा बच्चा खाता ही नहीं.
बहुत important question है.
So ये जो है, this is again a myth. The child is not eating what the mother wants to eat.
Or the quantity that mother wants to.
Mother wants to eat. मदर का इच्छा है कि 2 कटोरी खाना चाहिए और बच्चे ने आधी कटोरी खाई. अरे बट उसको भूख लगेगा तो खाएगा ना. आप हर 2 घंटे में खिलाएंगे तो कैसे खाएगा? So number 1, frequency of feeding is very important. Number 2, there's something called a negativity. Children typically have this negativity start from about 9 months till 3.5 years. So हमने अगर एक बच्चे को बोला ये करो तो पर्पसली वो नहीं करेगा. And that also is in all of us. If I tell you all to do something, you will purposely not do it. So, or even if somebody tells me ये करो तो मैं purposely उल्टा करेगा.
He said all of us, मतलब हम दोनों भी included है उसमें.
मेरे में तो बहुत है. So, what I'm trying to emphasize here is that let the child eat as much as the child wants. Don't force. Number 1. Number 2, there's nothing called as mathematics कि ये इतना ही खाना चाहिए तो ही मेरा बच्चा हेल्दी होगा. If your child is alert, active, playful, sleeping well and growing well, so in that case, by growth I mean weight, height, and all the activities that he's performing for his age are appropriate, then why worry about intake? आप उसका बाकी का जो खाना है like chips, kurkures, wafers and all that, just get rid of all those and the child will start eating. Reduce the intake of milk, the child starts eating. हमारे इधर उल्टा है, खाना नहीं खाता करके दूध पिलाओ, बट मैं बोलता हूँ दूध बंद करो फिर खाना खाएगा.
And it's been observed so many times.
And it's a very important rule that if I want to learn some new trick in my life, I have to have a patience for 21 days. तो वैसे बच्चे के साथ भी उतना पेशेंस रखो तो अपने आप खाना खाएगा.
सुपर. बच्चा यार वो उसके लिए बहुत बड़ा चीज़ है खाना सीखना, बिकॉज अब तक किया के मिल रहा था खाना और अभी सडनली ये लोग एक्सपेक्ट कर रहे हैं तू चबा भी, तू खा भी, तू देख भी, एंड देयर आर लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स.
Yes. I think it's a combination of you giving something and the baby trying to eat something. Super. That's very important.
So the combination of BLW and TW. I'll explain. TW इज ट्रेडिशनल वीनिंग, मतलब माँ खिला रही है या पापा खिला रहा है, एंड BLW इज बेबी लेड वीनिंग।
Yeah.
खुदों की भी खाने दो, बच्चे भी खाने
थोड़ा
दो।
गिराएगा, थोड़ा आपको साफ करना पड़ेगा।
वो हम लोग वैसे भी करते हैं डॉक्टर संदीप, पूरा टाइम। मेरे बच्चे भी इतने बड़े हैं तो भी कुछ ना कुछ चालू ही रहता है। जस्ट बिफोर दिस वीडियो आई वाज आस्किंग डॉक्टर संदीप कि आपके बच्चों का एज क्या है, फिर उन्होंने बताने के बाद मैंने नहीं जाने दो, उनके बच्चे बहुत ज़्यादा बड़े हैं और मैं स्टेज में नहीं है अभी के लिए। सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द सॉलिड फूड। याद रखो ऑल ऑफ यू, बच्चा गब्बू गब्बू चाहिए, गाल बड़े चाहिए, ये लाइफ टाइम नहीं रहने वाला है।
और ना ही हो तो अच्छा है, बिकॉज यू नो द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑफ ओबेसिटी एंड देन वी स्पेंड सो मच मनी इन डाइट एंड एक्सरसाइज। सो
डॉक्टर संदीप, हर 5 महीने में अगर बच्चे का वेट डबल होता रहा तो अपनी एज तक जाते जाते तो क्या हो जाएगा बच्चे का?
समथिंग very fearful, because 1 in 3rd child was obese, and with COVID times sitting at home and with mobiles and TV, they are putting on weight without any activities. So that's not good for their heart, that's not good for their brain, and that's not good for their health. They are likely to develop diabetes and hypertension and heart problems. So
in future,
so we don't want any child to be obese and overweight, because that's something which is bad for their health. So ये बड़ा मोटा is not healthy, it is unhealthy, pathological.
So healthy and happy child is always welcome.
Yes, absolutely.
Super. And आपको पता है, I think he will also agree, 1 kg plus minus या 500 ग्राम plus minus हर डॉक्टर को चलता है।
बिल्कुल चलता है।
एंड मोस्ट ऑफ यू विल ऑब्जर्व 2 दिन लूज मोशन हुआ और 400 ग्राम कम, वो बढ़ाते बढ़ाते डॉक्टर 1-2 हफ्ते चले जाते हैं। सो बट दैट्स हाउ किड्स आर। Pediatrician keeps so much patience, no? I think we also have to keep थोड़ा सा तो patience बनता है। Thank you so much all of you for listening to this particular video. Last segment we are getting into, and with that we'll end this interview. Thank you so much, Dr. Sandeep.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.